Namaskar. I am Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome you for our daily weather program today, that is 24th November 2021. Here in this slide, discuss about rainfall during past 24 hours. Heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places occurred over South Tamil Nadu and heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Kerala. The maximum rainfall in Tamil Nadu was in Theni district 13 centimeter and Kerala Kottayam 8 centimeter. And including the fog, moderate to dense fog was observed over South Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Now, in this slide, we are talking about satellite imaginary with synoptic system of today. In the Bay of Bengal, cyclonic circulation lies over southwest and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal, which is extends up to mid-tropospheric level. From this cyclonic circulation to South Tamil Nadu, a trough is also persists at lower tropospheric level. Another cyclonic circulation lies over southwest Arabian Sea in lower tropospheric levels, and one another cyclonic circulation lies over North Pakistan and neighborhood up to mid tropospheric levels. Now we are talking about the significant features. The cyclonic circulation over southwest and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal. Under influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over southwest Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours. It is likely to move west northwestward towards Sri Lanka and South Tamil Nadu coast. And I already told about the trough. Under the influence, light to moderate, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall activity likely over southern peninsula during next 5 days. With this, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal during next 5 days, especially South Tamil Nadu during next 2 days. Later on, North and Central or Interior Tamil Nadu last 3 days, and over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yemen and Rayalaseema on 27th and 28th. And isolated heavy rainfall also likely over Kerala during next 5 days, and Andaman Nicobar during next 2 days, and coastal Andhra Pradesh on 26th November 2021. Due to the cyclonic circulation over southwest, easterly winds likely to prevail over southwest Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, along out of South Tamil Nadu coast during next 2 days. So, fishermen are advised not to venture in this area during the next 2 days. As including this, the significant feature is gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degree, very likely over many parts of East India, especially over GWB, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, and Jharkhand during next 2 days, and no significant change thereafter, and gradually rise by 2 to 3 degree over most parts of northwest India during next 5 days. So that we can say no cold wave condition likely to happen during next 4 5 days over the country. Now we are talking about graphics form of the weather warning. That orange color shows heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 5 days over Tamil Nadu expecting, and Kerala heavy rainfall likely to expect. Heavy rainfall on CAP on 26th, heavy to very heavy rainfall on 26th, 28th over Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh at isolated places likely to happen. And over the Maharashtra, especially Konkan Goa and Madhya Maharashtra and North Interior Karnataka, thunderstorm activity likely to continue during next 24 hours and abate thereafter. Including this, heavy rainfall at isolated places is likely to happen over Andaman Nicobar Islands during next 2 days. Now we are talking about fog. Isolated dense fog is likely to happen over Assam and Tripura during next 2 days. Rest of it, no adverse weather warning entire country during next 5 days. For following us, you can visit our website mausam.imd.gov.in as well as many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blogs, and latest update and warning over your phone. You can use our app as Mausam app, Damni app, and Meghdut app. Thank you very much for listening me.